Hey cookie loves, I'm going to jump right into it today. Halloween is around the corner, so I'm going to show you how I'm decorating a Halloween cauldron. I'm using one bag of icing to outline a flood because it's super convenient and I just like one bag for everything. Now this cutter is a fairly easy one to find during Halloween. A lot of Wilton cookie cutter sets will include cutters like a cauldron, bad pumpkin, those types of cutters. Once that is all flooded, I'm adding a little white highlight to make it look like there's a little reflection. Something to make my pot come alive. And I'm using a white flood to do that. Now this technique is called wet on wet because my black icing is still wet while I'm adding the white icing. Now once it dries, the white icing is going to be a part of the background of my cookie. And guys, if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that like button right now and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. So I gave the first part of the pot time to dry and I'm going to add feet to it. I didn't add the feet while the top was still wet because I wanted them to look like they were separate from the pot. Now this area is very small, so it is prone to cause craters. So don't be surprised if those little holes form. To prevent those holes, use a thick icing and stick your cookie in the dehydrator as soon as possible. Now I'm going to make sure my icing is thick, and that's because I added a rim around the pot. This is another area that is prone to craters because it's narrow and thin, but hopefully they don't form. Here's a link for royal icing consistency if you need help. You can use Wilton piping gel to adhere your sprinkles. I waited until the cookie was dry and then I brushed on the piping gel and added sprinkles. Don't worry, piping gel won't alter the taste of your cookie, it's just a great adhesive. Now I'm just positioning all my sprinkles in their places using tweezers. I have those linked below. And that's all. I hope you guys try out this cookie. At first, Halloween cookies weren't my favorite kind of cookies to decorate, but they are starting to become my favorite. Thanks so much for watching my cookie loves, and subscribe if you haven't.